Assalamualaikum and hi to our lecturer and my fellow friends. We are from Group 9. So our topic is planning measuring experience. This is our group member. We have DAYANG FARAHIAH binti ALMURID, ZAWANI binti Sabil, LYANASHIKA binti JUNIE, and AZIZAN binti ARRIFFEN.
So next, introduction. Measurement is an essential concept that children naturally explore through play and structured activities. By engaging with real-life experience, such as estimating size or comparing weight, children develop a foundational understanding of measurement. Creating meaningful learning environment foster curiosity and enhance their skill in making comparison using measurement language and developing critical thinking. So next.
For the first one is natural measurement in play. Natural measurement in play can help children learn measurement concepts through activities and interactions. This approach is informal and focused on ideas like size, weight, length, capacity, and time. So from this measurement, children can explore by using hands-on activities, observing, and comparing. Everyday objects and situations are used to make learning fun and meaningful. Besides that, it also can encourage curiosity and builds understanding in an enjoyable way. I have three examples of activities that's suitable for natural measurement in play, which is usually children will do it without we ask them to, because it's come naturally in their mind. So for the first activity, teacher will give them freedom to play with their own toys, and they will have their own choice of activities such as dig a hole in the sandpit to hold a pickup truck. As long as they have a pickup truck or other toys and the sandpit, they will naturally use concepts of measures in their play. For the second one is stacking blocks. For this activity, teacher will ask children to make a tower using blocks, and then children have to compare their block tower height with their friend's block tower. The last activity, which is the third activity, is lifting two different weight of objects. This activity is to decide which one is heavier and which one is lighter. For example, teacher will give a book and a tablet to them and hold it with each their hands, so they will know which one is heavier and which one is lighter. So for the benefit, the first benefit is cognitive development. Builds critical thinking and problem-solving skills. Introduce understanding of standard units and measurement tools. The second one is engagement and enjoyment. Play-based activities keep children actively engaged while introducing math concepts naturally. Encourage exploration and discovery, fostering a positive attitude toward learning math.
So I will continue with structured activities for measurement. Structured measurement activities are carefully designed, goal-oriented tasks that help children explore mathematical concepts systematically. This activity often focus on specific aspects like size, weight, volume, or length, but may also integrate multiple aspects for a holistic understanding. Guided by teachers, these activities ensure children use measurement tools and vocabulary actively, bridging the gap between abstract concept and practical applications. So for example, the first activity is Goldilocks and the three bears. In this activity, kids compare different objects like teddy bears, chairs, and bowls of various size. We can use question like which teddy bear is the tallest or which chair is the smallest to help them think about the size differences. It makes learning fun by connecting it to a family story. So second example is baking. When kids help bake, they can measure ingredient like flour and sugar. They might use scales to see which one is heavier. For example, you can ask, is the flour heavier than the egg? This gave them a hands-on way to explore weight and measurement in a real-life context. So I will continue with benefits. The first benefits is develop precision and observation skills. This activity help kids practice being careful and paying attention to details. For example, when they measure flour or compare teddy bear, they start to notice small differences like which object is slightly bigger or heavier. This help them be more accurate in their observations. The second is standard unit. Teacher standard units of measurement. As kids measure things, they start learning about standard unit like gram or centimeter. For example, they may use a ruler to measure how long a teddy bear is, or use a scale to see how much sugar weight. This is important because it will a foundation for understanding math in the future. So the last one is encourage cooperative learning. These activities are usually done in group, so kids work together. They can share tools like ruler or scales and help each other figure out the answer. This is not only makes learning more fun, but also teach them how to cooperate and communicate with others. So that's all from me.
Language development in measurement is a crucial aspect of digital education that involves the acquisition of vocabulary, concepts, and skills that related to measurement. This process also enables children to understand and effectively communicate about various dimensions of the world around them. Using specific language related to measurement helps children articulate their thoughts and observation, enhancing their understanding of concepts like size, weight, and volume. Next, I will explain about example of activity that's suitable for language development in measurement. First one is baking activity. For this activity, we can encourage the children to hold the unbroken egg carefully and to feel how heavy it is. And then they can compare its weight to other things like flour and decide whether it feels heavier or lighter than the unbroken egg. In this activity, children start by grasping basic terms like big, small, long, and short, and later progress to more complex vocabulary such as centimeter, volume, or temperature. Next activity is Goldilocks and the Three Bears. For this activity, each child need to choose a teddy or a doll, and then they need to compare the teddies, and by making direct comparison, put them in order of height. The language they acquired through this activity is small, smaller, smallest, tall, long, high, and low. The benefit of this activity for children is using real ingredients and tools help children to learn basic measurement skill in a fun and practical way. For example, when they weigh flour or balance object on a scale, they start to understand ideas like heavy or light or balancing. This activity makes learning measurement easy because children can see and feel the result of what they're doing. It also helps them think and solve problems as they explore and try new things. At the same time, this activity also helps children to practice using words like small, tall, smaller, and larger to compare objects. They learn how to describe what they see and explain differences, like saying which object is bigger or which one is shorter. This builds their language skill and helps them explain their ideas more clearly. Activities like this make learning fun while helping children grow their thinking and communication skill.
Assalamualaikum and hi to Dr. Razib and everyone. My name is DAYANG FARAHIAH. Today I would like to discuss the importance of creating learning environment that actively promote discussion and activities related to measurement. As we know, fostering a rich, engaging environment is key to enhancing children's learning experience, especially when it comes to developing foundational skills such as measurement. Established environments that promote measurement discussions can significantly enhance children's understanding of the world around them. These environments should be rich in resources and opportunity for exploration, where children can actively engage with tools and concepts related to measurement. Learning environment that incorporate measurement can take many forms. For example, contexts where measurement is naturally relevant, such as cooking or gardening. This everyday activity provide perfect opportunity for children to engage with and understand different measurement concepts. One way to facilitate measurement exploration is by providing tools like rulers, scales, measuring cups, and chart. These resources encourage children to independently engage in measuring activities, sparking their curiosity and enhancing their ability to make comparison and observation. Okay, let me share a few examples of how we can set up this learning environment. For example, a measurement station. One of the most effective ways to promote measurement learning is by creating specific area or station filled with various measuring tools. This could include rulers, scales, or measuring cups that allowing children to engage in self-directed exploration. They could measure objects like the length, weight, or volume, experimenting with different methods and learning through hands-on activity. Next is team activities. We can also incorporate measuring into daily routine. For example, tracking a grow of plant in garden or comparing the weight of classroom pet are fun. Yet, educational ways to weave measurement into everyday life. These activities not only help children develop measurement skills, but also fostering curiosity and connection with the world around them. And the outcome of established such environment are invaluable. First, we create a simulating space that promote curiosity and inquiry, ultimately leading to greater engagement in measurement activity. Children will naturally want to explore and ask questions and also discover more about the concept of measurement in their surrounding. Next is this environment provide numerous opportunity for collaborative learning. When children work together to explore and discuss measurement concept, they develop not only their mathematical skills but also their social skills. Sharing their idea, comparing their findings, and learning from each other will foster a sense of teamwork and improve communication among peers. In conclusion, by setting up measurement-rich environment, we are providing children with the tools and opportunity to engage deeply in learning. These environments stimulate curiosity, enhance independent exploration, and promote collaborative learning, ultimately giving children a strong foundation in measurement that will serve them through their educational journey. Thank you. That's all from me.
For the conclusion, through both natural and structured measurement activities, children gain a deeper understanding of mathematical concepts like size, weight, and volume. Engaging with this concept in a hands-on way helps improve cognitive, language, and social skills. Providing rich learning environments encourage ongoing curiosity and support the development of essential problem-solving abilities. That's all from us. Thank you.